Hey everybody, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and today's episode is all about sharing the beautiful, unadulterated noise of a supercharger on a Classic Mini. So, stay tuned. Today's episode is brought to you by you. That's right. Every single episode created on Classic Mini DIY is made with the help of our patrons and our long-term parts sponsor, 7 Mini Parts. If you want to see more mini stuff and more videos in the future, please consider supporting the channel on patreon.com/Classic Mini DIY, or by checking out some of my awesome merch like t-shirts, stickers, and all sorts of other really cool stuff at merch.classicminidiy.com. Alright, let's get back to the episode. Now, like I said, today's episode is all about sharing the noise and what it's like driving a supercharged Classic Mini. I was really excited about filming this for you guys, and I got a few good clips out of this trip. But unfortunately, a little ways into my driving, and keep in mind I had been driving this car for, I guess, about 2 weeks now without much issue, the Sniper ECU decided to stop reading on all sensors, and it seems like the ECU itself might not be alive anymore. So that's pretty unfortunate. I'm going to have to diagnose that and figure it out. Could be a pretty expensive problem if the Sniper actually finally did die. I am not really impressed with the Sniper at this point. I've had basically just nonstop issues with it. So who knows what's next? Who knows how I'm going to address it? I'll have to think about that after figuring out what's wrong. But before I had the issue, I did get quite a few little clips of sound and video that I'm going to share with you guys. It's not going to feel complete because it wasn't complete, but I hope you guys enjoy. So that is the Supercharged Classic Mini. It has a raw, quite nice, visceral sound, but it's not overpowering. You can drive it, pretty normally without any issue. And you won't feel like you're constantly yelling inside the car or nothing like that. No more than any other Mini. But it is fast and it is fun. And the power band is instant, which is really cool. You get the power instantly. And of course it starts to taper off towards the end. However, just wonderful, wonderful to drive. So hopefully I get those Sniper issues ironed out before, before too long. I'll bring you guys along on that whole journey after we figure out what's wrong. Until then, though, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I will see you on the next one. But until then, enjoy those minis and motor on.